Board nouns and verbs in Info-LN integration. The complete guide to business object document structure. Brought to you by FullOnBarn, your one-stop destination for IT solutions. What is a board? A business object document is the standard XML message format used across the entire Info product suite for application-to-application communication. It was defined by the OAGIS standard and adopted by Infor as the backbone of its Ion middleware platform. Every board name is formed by combining exactly two components, a verb, the action being performed, and a noun, the business entity being acted upon. Sync.sales order, process.purchase order, show.item master. Each name tells you exactly what is happening and to what. This makes boards self-describing, routable, and auditable by middleware. Every board message follows a strict two-part structure. The application area, which is the envelope, and the data area, which is the payload. The application area carries metadata like who sent the board, when it was created, and a unique board ID for tracking. The data area is where the verb-noun pair lives. The verb element defines the action, such as sync, process, or get. The noun element contains the actual business data. One board, one action, one data type. In Info-LN, the user area section inside the noun is where LN-specific fields that are not part of the standard OAGIS schema get mapped. There are 6 board verbs every LN consultant must know. First, sync, meaning here is the latest state after a change. It is the most common verb, published as a broadcast to all subscribers. Second, process, meaning please execute this action. It is a point-to-point request to the system of record. Third, get, meaning send me the data. It is a read-only request that triggers a show response. Fourth, show, which is the response to a get, containing the requested data. Fifth, confirm, which is primarily an error notification message sent to Ion Desk when processing fails. Sixth, acknowledge, which is a direct response to a process message, indicating acceptance or rejection. Info-LN supports hundreds of board nouns across its modules. In sales, sales order and customer party master are key nouns, flowing from LN to CRM and WMS. In purchasing, purchase order and supplier party master connect LN to supplier portals. In inventory, item master and bill of materials sync to WMS, PLM, and e-commerce. In warehouse, shipment and receive delivery flow between LN and WMS. In finance, source system journal entry, payable transaction, and receivable transaction handle financial data. In manufacturing, production order connects LN to MES systems. Not all verb-noun combinations are pre-configured. Some must be activated through board publishing sessions. Here is how boards flow through the Ion backbone. Step 1. LN publishes the board when a business event occurs. This happens asynchronously. Step 2. Ion Connect validates the board against the OAGIS schema and applies any transformations. Step 3. The Ion messaging engine queues the board on a persistent topic. Every subscriber receives a copy, with guaranteed delivery. Step 4. Each subscribing application processes the board and sends back a confirmed board if confirmation was requested. The complete life cycle is visible in Ion Desk for monitoring. Configuring board publishing in LN requires 5 steps. First, activate board content by navigating to Common, Board Messaging, Board Content, and enabling the specific verb-noun combinations. Second, create a publishing session to control when and what LN publishes. Third, verify the Ion connection point is registered and active. Fourth, Build a document flow in Ion Desk, connecting LN as source and the target application as destination. Fifth, test with a single transaction by modifying a sales order and checking Ion Desk's OneView monitor. 5 common board errors and how to debug them. Error 1. Bot stuck in pending in Ion Desk. Check if the Ion connection point is running. Error 2. Schema validation error. Regenerate the schema from bot content and re-import into Ion. Error 3. Confirm board returns application error. Read the failure message in the confirm board XML for the exact cause. Error 4. Bot published but not received. Verify the document flow includes the specific verb-noun combination. Error 5. Duplicate bots flooding the subscriber. Switch from full publish mode to change-based publishing. Use Ion Desk OneView to diagnose any board issue. It shows the complete life cycle with full XML payloads. Here are the best practices for board integrations. First, map nouns to business processes, not to database tables. Think in terms of sales order life cycle, not table names. Second, always enable confirm board for critical flows carrying financial or order data. Third, use action expression codes correctly. Add means new entity, change means modified, replace means full snapshot. Fourth, keep user area mappings minimal to reduce bot size and failure points. Fifth, monitor Ion Desk daily, not just at go live. Set up alerts for failures and queue depth. Sixth, version your bot schemas and test all document flows before upgrades. Thank you for watching.